Launch YouTube app. Click on search icon. Type in Craft and Canvas CNC. You will be redirected to our channel. Click on red subscribe button. You will now see a bell icon. Click on it and you will be notified on all our new video uploads. Thank you. Welcome to Craft and Canvas. To make a hexagonal pop-up gift box, you will need cardboard, glue, paintbrush to apply glue with, scissors, scale, eraser, pencil, and some rubber bands. I have now cut out the hexagonal base templates. The templates for these are available in the description box below. You will also need a rubber band holder. To make the rubber band holder, I will explain you shortly in this video. Apart from these, I have also set up some embellishments that we will be using. Okay, now let's begin with the hexagonal base. If you see closely, you can observe scoring lines marked on the cardboard. We have provided the template where the scoring and cutting lines must be. So cut out and score out your cardboard accordingly. Let's now start folding the cardboard. The more crisp and clean your scoring lines are, the more easier it is to fold. Repeat the same for the other base as well. Once the scoring and creasing is complete on both the cardboards, place your base templates in the following way. Now we will apply the glue on these edges. Now take the paintbrush and apply the glue on the edges. Paste both the edges together firmly and nicely. Now let's glue the other two edges as well. Before we stick the top hexagonal base opening, we will create a rubber band holder. To do so, take a piece of cardboard, mark 1 inch width and 3 inch height. Make a rectangle out of it and cut it out. Now we will make creases at 3/4, 1.5 to 1/4 of the cardboard. After scoring out, make the folds accordingly as shown. Now let's do the cutting. Slightly away from the corner, make a cut until the center diagonally. Create a triangle cut from the center as shown. This triangular cut will allow the rubber band to stay in its place. Once done, make the diagonal cut slightly bigger so that it is easy to place the rubber band. You have two rubber band holders ready. We will place them inside the base likewise. Take the glue and apply it as shown. First at the bottom and then inside. Now place them at the center as shown. Similarly, do for the other holder. Make sure while sticking the other holder that both holders are aligned correctly, right beneath each other, and holders facing in the same direction. We will put in the rubber band. See to it that the size of the rubber band must be slightly more than one side of the hexagon and should not be too thick. Let's test it out. Pull the ends and leave. The rubber band shouldn't come out and the shape of hexagon must retain. So once it is tested, you can apply the glue on the hexagon base edges. Now let's stick the embellishments that we had kept ready. Don't you like the way it pops? It's like a stress buster. Try it out. We have finished with the pop-up box. Now to do the gift box, let's take the width and height measurement of the base. Do it with me as shown. Take a cardboard for gift box. Leave 2 cm at edges and at the middle mark the height and width measurement that you had taken. Once the marking is done, cut only one side of the edge to create the box. Your box is ready. Keep the pop-up box to see if it fits in correctly. Now, let's make a cover for this box. Again, for this, leave 2 cm gap at the edges and use the same height and width measurement that we had already taken. Score at the lines and fold them. Your cover is now ready. Put them together to see if they fit in correctly. Now let's decorate the cover. Take a decorative sheet and paste on them. Have a bow ready. Let's attach it to the box. A bow always completes a gift box, don't you think? Okay, so the gift box is ready. The hexagon boxes are ready. Let's put them together. I have also made an additional birthday theme pop-up box. I'm putting in that as well, and some colorful balls to give a nice effect.